Do not register for that cake class until you watch this video. Hi my splendid lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Victory, Creative Director of Splendid Cookery, and here on my channel I share cooking and baking recipes. So guys, in today's video we'll be looking at common questions people ask before they register for a baking class or a baking school. Okay, so the questions are endless, but we'll be looking at just few of those questions. So number one question people ask is, do I need any experience before I can register for a baking school? The answer is no. You do not need any experience whatsoever. Whether you have never baked before or you bake occasionally at home, you can register for a baking school or a baking class. What you actually need is your willingness and the zeal to learn and ensure that you acquire the skill. Number two question people ask is, how long does it take to learn baking? So it depends on your goal. In the baking industry, we have the beginners, the intermediate, and the masters. Okay, like we have beginner bakers, you can go for intermediate class. This is like a bit advanced than beginner class, and we have the master class. Okay, but it depends on your goal. The truth is that learning never ends. Even experienced baker are still taking courses and learning new techniques in the baking industry. So you can start with the beginners class, and with that you can begin your cake business, and as time goes on you are still definitely going to learn more technique and more skills. Number three question people ask is, will I be able to start my own baking business after the training? Yes, if you are willing to practice and stay consistent. The training teach you the knowledge and practical skills, but your success also depends on your dedication, your customer service, and your willingness to keep improving. Number four question people ask is, do I need expensive baking tools to start my own cake business? Not at all. You can start with basic baking tools and upgrade as your business grows. Most successful bakers did not start with fully equipped kitchen. They started with what they have. Okay, so you don't need to worry too much about it. Start with what you have, and as your business grows, you eventually upgrade. The fifth and the last question people ask is, what if I make mistakes? So do not be afraid to make mistakes, because making mistakes is part of learning. What matters is you willing to learn more and improve. So mistakes is part of the learning process, okay? Wherever you made mistakes, ensure to improve on that part and keep it going, okay? Experience, they say, is the best teacher, so do not be afraid to make mistakes. So my splendid lovers, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Like and drop your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.